Well, this is for my friend Chris, who had trouble doing a bolt circle diameter. So let's start here and see how we go. Actually, we'll start here. We'll zero all the axes. We'll hit the bolt circle diameter, and radius is 12. Down arrow. Start angle 0, end angle 0, 3 holes, direction 1, and start -12. So let's start this here now. I'll just spot a couple of holes here. This is actually the centre of the hole. Now -12 we had. Take it back to 0. That'll be close enough. Up here to hole number 2. 17995 10.392. And this one to 0. Going the wrong way. Spot another one. And hole number 3. -20 on the Y. Take it back to 0. See where this one ends up. So there we have it. 3 holes. I got a feeling I wasn't in 0 when I spotted that centre hole. So anyway, that's it, guys.